Hey, hi guys. Good morning. My screen visible, guys? Not visible, right? Okay. So guys, last class what we discussed? Yeah. So list interface implementation class has done, and what guys set interface implementation class also done. But we will go through that what happened internally with that tree set. So guys, before that, what are the set interface implementation class is there, and what is the difference between asset and linked asset and tree set, guys? Can anyone explain? Two points. Yeah. Okay. So what is the difference between asset and linked asset? Yeah. Okay. 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 That's all. Your voice is very low, guys. Not audible to me. Yes. No. Okay. 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 Linked asset. What is that data structure? Linked list, guys. That as table. Yeah. Okay, guys, I will recollect that all the concept one more time, so you people can listen, guys. Just what are the possibilities is there in asset, linked asset, and tree set. You people can concentrate here, guys. So first of all, there is a set interface is there, guys. Set interface. There is a three implementation class is there. So that is that asset, linked asset, and set interface. There is a child interface is there, guys. That is sorted set. Sorted set implementation class is that trace set. So guys, so what is the purpose of that asset is that Underlying data structure is that hash table, guys, and duplicate object not allowed, insertion order not preserved, because of every object can be storing based on that hash code. And in hash set we can store that null values, guys, and hash set can be stored that heterogeneous object allowed, and hash set imported from implemented from where, guys? Serializable interface and a clonable interface. And Hasset is a best choice to what, guys? Choice if our frequently operation is search operations, right? And asset class we don't know what is asset class set interface implementation class not allowed duplicate, because of when we are going to try when we are going to adding that duplicate at that moment, what happened? There is a, what is the, guys, tell me, what is the return type of that add method, guys? What is the return type of that add method? Add method return type is that boolean, guys. So when that hash set going to adding to the duplicate element, at that moment that add method when duplicate is not there, then that add method can return that value as a true. When when we are going to add into the duplicate element, at that moment that add method internally, what, guys, that return type become as a false. That's all, right? So this is that has set, guys. I will already that has set what is that happen internally, each and everything I completed, guys. And there is a, what, guys, has set is that initial capacity is that 16 and default fill ratio is there, right, guys? What is the default fill ratio is that 0.75. So we can call as a fill ratio as a load factor also, guys. Has set duplicate and there is a, what, guys, this is that operation we can do inside that has set. And what, guys, there is a next implementation class is that, what, guys, linked list. Linked list also implemented from where? Set interface. And linked list also not able to allow to the duplicate object. Linked list also can allow that heterogeneous object. And linked list internal data structure is that link what, guys, what is that linked list internal data structure of that linked list? There is a linked list and hash table it is going to follow. And what, guys, linked list can be followed that order, guys. That order is preserved inside that linked list. And yeah, this is that, and remaining same as like what hash set is do, same as like that linked hash set, guys, right? So there is a two different is there, that different you should be remember, right? And there is a tree set, guys. Basically we are going to discuss now that tree set. So what is that you people can check here that, guys, underlying data structure is that a balanced tree and duplicate object are not allowed, insertion order not preserved, and heterogeneous object not allowed, null insertion possible only first time, guys. Tree set implement from where? Serializable, clonable, but not random. There is a random interface also, right, is there, guys. And so it can be print the data as a sorting order, right? So I we already completed that how it is going to printing to that sorting order. So what happened internally we will see here, guys, right? Yeah. And guys, here is that null is allowed, I said, guys. 1 minute, some important call I got. Yeah, very good morning, Maharaj. Yeah, yeah. guys. All right. So TreeSet is that word, guys. Internally, what it is happened, we will see now, guys. So that there is a when you are going to adding to that word, guys, object inside that TreeSet. So how it is going to get in that order, guys? Internally, what interface it is going to follow, and what are the method it is going to using internally, guys. Right, and that I said you right, guys. There is a null is allowed only one time inside the TreeSet, guys. That is that 1.6 version onwards it is possible, but 1.7 version that null is not allowed, guys. Here we will check, but we are going to using to that word, guys. Nowadays is that 1.7 JDK 17 version we are going to using, right? So guys, and if you are going to try, if you are trying to add that heterogeneous object, it will be get what, guys? Runtime exception, class cast exception we got, right? So we already completed that part, guys. So how it is going to using that internally, guys? I will show you, right? So guys, you people can check here, guys. That theory part is completed last time. So we will go through that word, guys. Your batch is that only Java technical collection. Yeah, so already we created class, right, guys? So see here, guys, how it is going to added means you people can check here, guys. I said you there is a underlying data structure is that balance tree, guys, and balance tree and that what, guys, tree set internally there is a comparable interface it will be used, guys. Comparable interface can contain that two method, guys. Comparable interface and compare there is a comparable interface is there, guys. That comparable interface can contain that compare to method, guys. What method it will be there, guys? Compare to method. Comparable interface present in java.lang package only, and it contains only one method, that is compare to method, guys. So I will show you that how it is internally it will be work. So guys, with practically we see. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to add that element. What, guys? This is that adding to that element, right, guys? So that what it is happen internally that comparable interface will become that default what, guys, default sorting order we can call as this is the default sorting order, guys. You people can check here. I'm going to running this application. See here, guys. See, this is the default sorting order. We can call as this is the default sorting order, and how it is going to printing internally what it is happened. I will show you, guys. So internally there is a word, guys. We can call as a what? It is going to follow into the tree, guys. Internally balance tree it is going to follow. So how it is going to happen internally? You people can check here, guys. So which one? This is that, guys. This is that first we can follow to the what, guys. First, which one we are going to adding that element? That element we can consider as a root node, guys. This is that what, guys. Which one we are going to adding first element? Then we can call as that is root node. So guys, what it is happen that root node will become and it will be stored here, guys. Will be stored here. What is that first element here, guys? What is the first element? A, right? Yeah. So when I'm going to adding to that what element as a first element, that element consider as a root element. And what, guys? So when you are going to adding to that second element, when it is going to adding to that second element, it will be compare, guys. It will be compare. How it is going to compare means internally what, guys? Internally there is a compare to method is there, right, guys? I said you, right? there is a internally what that a tree set follow to that comparable interface. Then that comparable interface, how it is going to added means, you people can check here guys, internally what happened and how it is going to added. That part I will show you guys, right? That part I will show you. So what happened, yeah, you people can check here guys. I'm going to adding to that first element as a, here is that word guys. You people, first of all, what should I to do? Here is that my element added word guys here. What? TreeSet dot, TreeSet dot, TreeSet dot add of. I'm going to adding what element here guys? A, right? So what happened guys? This is that first element it is going to there. Then it will be not able to compare with that any object guys, because of this is that first element, right? This is that first element guys. So what happened that next time, what happened that next time, when I am going to adding to that next element guys, when I am going to adding to that next element, at that moment it will be compare internally, how it is going to compare I will show you. You people can check here guys. TreeSet, TreeSet dot add of, what is the element we added guys here? Z, right? So how it is going to see, TreeSet, TreeSet dot add of what guys, inside the double quotation I'm going to adding to that z element. And how it is going to compare internally means, there is a word guys, compare to method is there. That compare to method it will be compare. See here guys, that what is the root node here? Root node is that a, right guys? So that a dot there is a word guys, compare to method it will become guys, compare to method it will become. And if it will be compare guys, it will be compare with what, next, a will be compared with that which element going to added to that next after a element added to that which element here guys? Z. Then it will be compared with that what guys? Z. It will be compared like this guys internally. So what happened guys? That compare method will be check that a, that Z will become first or a will become first guys. A will become first. So guys, that is that you people can check here guys, that which one is that greater than, means greater value, then that value will be stored inside that right side guys, right? So you people can check guys, internally that tree is happened what, every tree can be having to that two roots guys, that is we can call as a child root. This is that word guys, child, right? So now that which one is that greater value is there, that greater value will become right side and lesser value will become as a left side guys. So you people can compare here guys, that a compare with that to that z, then z is that greater value as lesser value guys, compare with that a greater, then which side it will become? Right side it will become guys, right side it will become, it will be adding to that what guys? Z. This is that what we can call as, this is that root node guys, this is that root node. And what guys, there is a every root having to that child root, child guys, right? So and the two nodes is there, child nodes is there, that is that what guys, left hand side and right hand side. Which one is that that root node compare with that root node? If it is that greater, then it will be adding to that right side guys. If that which one added to that next element, that is it, less than with that what guys, less than with that root node, then it will be adding to that where guys, left side. Same as like I will added one more element guys. What is that element here? P, right guys? So what happened? It is internally what happened. See here, guys. I'm going to adding to that element as a tree set. Tree set dot add of what is that element here, guys? P is that element. So that P element, what happened? It will be compared with the first word, guys. It will be compared with that root node first. Root. What is the root node here, guys? Yeah. So guys, that root node it will be compare A dot compare with compare compare to what, guys? Compare to what? Z, sorry, A, right? So that root node is that A, guys. This is that P, right? Yeah, element adding to that P, next element adding to that P, right, guys? So that P element will be checking, guys. That P element we compare with that A element, guys. A is that root, P is that child. Then what happened, guys? It will be compare internally that compare method, compare to method. It will be comparing two object. Which one is that greater? Which one is that lesser? It will be checking with that word, guys. With that root node. Then you people can check here, guys, that P is that greater or lesser, guys, compare with that root node. Greater, then it will become which side? Right side. It will become right side, guys. But already every node having to that only two nodes, guys, two child, guys, left and right only, right? So that already that there is a right side already element added or not, guys? Yeah. So guys, it will be added and again it will be checking with that. Yeah, there is no already element is added. Then what happened, guys? That added element it will be compare again which one it is going to adding to that element. That element should be compared with again what, guys? Existed element. What is that existed element here? Z. First it will be compared with that A. After that it will be compared with what, guys? Z. Then you people can check here, guys, how it is going to comparing internally means it will be comparing that same as like what, guys? Z dot compare to of what, guys? P. It will be compare. Now you people can check here, guys, that P is that greater or lesser, guys? Compare with the Z. Lesser. Then that every child also having two node or not, guys? Two child node or not? So it will become which side, guys, now? Left. So it will become and it will be adding to that child left what, guys? Z root. It is that direct what, guys? P is that what, guys? Child for that what? P is that child for what, guys? Z Z is that root node and P is that child node, guys. Okay. Yeah, same as like it will be added, guys. What is that next element here? Yes, there is a yes is that element is there, guys. How it is going to added? You people can check here, guys. Tree set tree set data add of what is that element we are added, guys? Yes, yes is that element here. That yes element first of all it will be compared with which element, guys? Road and root element. What is that root element here, guys? Yeah. So internally that what, guys? Compare with A. Compare to what, guys? What is the element? Yes. Right, guys. So you people can check here, guys. Yes is that greater with root or lesser, guys? Greater. Then it will become right side or left side? Right side. Right side already element is there or not, guys? Yeah, then already element is there. Then again it will be compared with what this child root or not, guys? Yeah, how it is going to compare same as like Z dot compare of compare to of what element? Yes element. Yes or no, guys? Now tell me. Now tell me. Compare with that Z yes element with that Z. then that is that greater or lesser, guys? Lesser. Yes, is that a lesser? Then it will become left side, right, guys? It will become to that lesser. So you people can check here, guys. Already there is a child road, child what, guys? Child is there for that z. Then it will be compare again with what element, guys? P. It will be compare with that P. P dot what, guys? Compare of compare to what, guys? S element, right? It will be compare like this, guys. Now you people can check here, guys. Now S is that greater than P or lesser than P, guys? Greater than P is nothing but it will become which side, guys? Now right side it will become, guys. Guys, getting or not? This is that what? Yes element it will become. And what is that element next, guys? Here E. You people can tell me, guys, compare with first of all that E element added what, guys? Compare with which node? Yeah, there is a root node is there. So root node it will be compared. So root node is that greater or lesser, guys? Compare with that E. Greater, then it will become where, guys? In right side. Right side already element is there. So that again it will be compared with that Z, guys. So that you people can check, guys. E is that greater than Z or lesser than Z, guys? Lesser than, so it will become left side. So already left side is that element already existed, guys. Then that which one is it is going to add that next element, that it will be compared with that what, guys? Already existed element. What is that existed element here? P. And which one is going to add into that new element, guys? That is that E. Then it will be compared with that what, guys? P. Then E is that greater than P or not, guys? Greater than now. E is that greater than P or lesser than P? Less than P means it will become which side, guys? Left side it will become, guys. That left side it will become, and that what value it will be added, guys? Here E value it will be added, guys. Getting or not? Internally that compared to method have doing that internally, this is that what, guys? We can call as a balance tree. It will be check that balance every element it is going to adding to that what, guys? Checking to that balance, and it will be identify that which side I need to add. It will be decided by that compare method. Okay. Internally these things is happen, guys. You people to know these things previously. Very good. Yeah. So guys, tell me, guys, how it is going to printing. That order is what, guys? Order is what is the default sorting order, default order here, guys? Ascending order it is going to printing. How it is going to printing? Tell me, guys. If people to know, right? Can you explain? Sorry? Yes. First printing ER. Node print. Node will be printer. How? How it is going to print? What you said that is correct, guys. How it is going to printing? Ascending. Yeah. Order is that ascending. How it is going to printing is there? Sorry. Started order it will print. Don't know. Yeah. So guys, you people can check every time what happened, guys. First of all, it will be checked there is a root. So root is that always what, guys? Left side that execution it will be checked that, guys. Left side that it will be printing from that left side onwards, right? You people can compare here, guys. This is that root node. and root node having to that any child left side child is there or not, guys? Here is that any child is there for that direct left side? No. Then there is no any child is there, guys. Then it will be go to that what, guys, compare with what, guys, it will be print first because of there is no any root is any child for that left side, right, guys? Then it will be means this is that comes as a what, guys, first element, right? Internally that what, guys, first element that root it will be print means if it is having to that child, then child will be print, but child there is no child, that is the reason it will be print what, guys, a only, right? So yeah, once this a is that printed means it will be what, guys, it will be destroyed here. And you people can check here, guys, now that which one root here, guys, which one is that root? Already that a is destroyed here, guys, already it is printed. Yeah, z is root, guys. Yeah, you people, yeah, z is root here. So z is root, but it will be there is a child is there or not, guys? Yeah, child is there. Again that what, guys? Again that child having to that again there is a two child, guys. Left child is there and right child is there. First of all, it will be going which side, guys? Left side it will be go. There is a left side it is go, and it will be what, guys? It will be compare with that root node. There is a it will be check again. There is a any child or not? It will be check, guys. There is a any child is here. No, then what, guys? That it will be printing what? It will be printing as a E, and it will be go back to that what, guys? Root, right? Yeah, root node it will be go, and what, guys? This node will be destroyed, guys. Now this node will be destroyed, and what, guys? It will be go to that. It will be compare with that right child. Right child is there, right, guys? Right child it will be there. Then that first is that left side it will be checked, left side it will be printing. After that what, guys, it will be checking it to that what, right side. So guys, right side you people can check here, guys, it e is printing, and after that what, guys, it will be checking with that what, root. Root it will be print, guys. After that any child is there or not, it will be check, guys. Any child is there, right side, right side any child is there or not, guys? Already child is that yes is there, right, guys? It will be print as a E, and it will be come to that P. P will be print again, again, guys. Because of that, after left side, that what, printing to the left side, it will be go to that root node. It will be print, and what, guys? Next immediately child right side what, guys? Right side child it will be compare. Any child root is there, child node is there, guys, for that, yes. No. Then what happened, guys? That yet yes will be printed. Yes will be printed, guys. Now that what, guys? This entire part is completed now. These three things is completed. Then what, guys? It will be go back to that what, guys? Here there is a P is that child for what, guys? Z. It will be go back to what, root. This is that root, guys, and it will be check. After that it will be print what, guys? Z. Z will be print the data, guys. This is the way it will be printing, guys. You people getting or not? It is right. Yeah, sorry, you can't understand, huh? Okay. There is a root and child. You people getting or not, guys? First, how it is going to add that element? Yeah. So guys, printing wise that started from left hand side. Every node there is a having left and right, guys. So that what, guys, left right side onwards it will be printing the data. So for that you people can check here, guys. There is a after printing to that left child, then it will be print that root node. After that what guys, right side root node it will be compare that root node having that any child or not, it will be checked. So guys, first of all you can come to that root node as a. Any child is there for the left side guys? No, that is the reason it goes to the back to that root. Root will be print. Already root is that a. It will be printed or not, guys? Yeah, means it is destroyed here, right? Now is that come what guys? Z is that parent root. This is that root guys. It is act as a root. So root is there and there any child is there or not guys? Left side. Yeah, it is not able to print guys. It will be checked what are the child is there, next child what are the child is there, it will be checked, right guys? Again that z is that having to that there is a left side child is there guys, that is that what p, and again it will be checked there is a p having to that any child or not, it will be checked guys. There is a left side is that child is there and right side child also is there, then it will become what guys, first it will be printing from where, left hand side. You people already always it is printing to that left side onwards guys. Okay, yeah, then what happened, there is a e will be printed there for that root of that this p is that acting for root, p is that root for what guys, e, right? So that left side, this is that left side for that p, this is that right side for that p. Yes or no guys, every node have to that left and right, right? So what is that left hand side that child guys, e. So e will be print guys, e will be print, and that it will be go back to that what guys, root node. Yes or no guys? Root it will be print guys. After that root it will be print. What is that root here? P. P printing guys. After that it will be print what guys? Right side of that root guys. What is that right side of that root? Yes. Yes will be printing here. And it will be go back to that what guys? It will be go back to that what? There is a root of that P what? Z guys, right? Yeah. After that Z any right side is there element is there guys? If even though if it is having to that any node of that right side, first it will be print, after that it will be checked to that right side guys. Getting or not guys? That is the reason that z will be printed guys. Now getting or not? Yeah, this is the way it will be printed guys. This is that default sorting order guys, we can call as a default sorting order. That internally that compare two method it will become, and it will be compare that existed element guys, and it will be store which side I need to add, it will be decided guys. Okay, right guys? Yeah, so that is the reason it is going to printing like this guys. Guys, internally what happened, you people getting or not guys now for that preset, right? So means we can call as a internally happened like that, but initially that what guys, sorting that element. Yes or no guys? It will be sort because of there is a sort method is there guys internally. That compared to method again it will be there is a sort method is there, that sort method will be sorting the data guys. Right? You people to know or don't know guys, there is a sort method is there. What is there is a what guys? Collections dot collection is that class guys. Collections is that class, utility class. There is a sort method is there, I think. Yeah, there is a sort method is there guys. What is that sort? You people can check here guys. This is the way also we can sort that element. Reset argument list of. Yeah, this concept we can see what guys. After completion of that what comparable, there is a comparable and comparator interface is there guys. After that many ways we can sorting that elements, guys, like customized sorting order, default sorting order, guys, reverse, guys, this is that what, guys, default, this is the default sorting order. When I am going to sorting this order, then internally that compare to method it will become. Okay. And customized sorting order also is there, guys, based on that if we see to that in real time scenario, there is a employee id, employee name, employee salary, employee department is there, right? So based on that we can sort that element. I will show you that point into that word, guys. And here also I will show you, and there is a one more concept is there, guys, that is Java 8, right? So nowadays, that word, guys, we are not able to use into that comparable comparator inside that what normal ways, guys. We are going to using inside that word, guys, in Java 8 feature inside that string API it will become. And how we are going to sorting that based on that employee ID, based on that employee name, based on that department, we will see, guys, that point. Okay. And guys, if people can check here that tree set can be adding to that null, guys, here. Is it possible? No. Because of, tell me, guys, why it is not able to allowed? Tell me, guys. No duplicate, no, guys. That is that what? It will be what, guys? There is a left side, right side is there, right, guys? There is a null. It will be, guys. After null, it is not able to add any data, guys. You people can check here. TreeSet, TreeSet data add of what? I'm going to adding what is the data here. Here I'm going to add RJ. I'm going to add it, and it will be through that error, guys. Yes, yeah. This is the default sorting order preset, right? So preset is that only one time it will be added, and yeah, that customized sorting order, right? Customized sorting order means it will become as a last only, right? So what we have to do when it is going to add it? See, you people can check here, guys. You people can check if I added to that element as a first, control X. Yet it is going to add it, so it will become as a root as a null, guys. How it is going to add it, can anyone explain me what happened internally? No. Okay. Null is E is root node. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. So guys, what happened here? First of all, preset is that what is the initial capacity is there, guys? Zero only, right? So this is that zero initial capacity means it will be zero, right, guys? So that value as what, guys? Null will be there, guys, right? So first it will be added as in null. But what, guys? This is that tree set based on it will be stored based on what, guys? Index R. Ascending order. What are ascending order, guys? Yeah. So guys, you people can check here. First of all, is that root, there is a null is there, right guys? So null, what it will be happen internally, it will be added to that null as a like this guys, and it will be next element it is there, right guys? So next element what it will be happen, it will be compare that, but there is a what guys, it will be compare with that null. A is compared with that, it is greater or lesser. Did we identify here guys? As per that alphabetical order we can identify, yes or no guys? But it is a string, it is act as a string, right guys? String, it will be act as a string. And what happened guys, there is a that all the, when we are going to adding to that element at that moment, that all the string act as all the element act as a string, right guys? So string that, every string having to that word guys hash code, right? So what it will be happen guys, that based on that hash code, it will be taking to that internally word guys, based on that hash code it will be added guys. So that is the reason that word guys, that null null also having to that word, it is act as though also guys what, string only, right guys? This is that now string, this is that string or null guys now. Yeah, you people can check here, guys. You people can check what should I to do. Instead of double quotation, null is a literal, guys. We can call as a null is a literal, right? You people already know that thing, right, guys? When I'm going to adding to that null like this, at that moment, what happened, guys? You people can check. It will be through that exception. Because of that comparable compared to method, it is first of all null. Then what happened guys, first there is a 1.6 onwards before, sorry, 1.6 version before it is going to added that first null guys, it will be added that null as a first time only. After that it's not possible to add into that element, right? Why? Because guys, when that compared to method next element I am going to add into that a, right guys? Now how it is going to comparing, what is that, how it is, guys, it will become first or left side it will become, or right side it will become, it is any comparable is there guys? No, that is the reason you people can check here guys, there is a already given cannot invoke java.line that comparable compared to object. This is that act as a object, right guys? Because because a1 is null, some data guys, what we are going, because that it is act as a null guys, it is act as a null, that is not able to compare with that next element. That is the reason it is going to what, given to that word guys, exception, runtime exception, it is going to null, that is null pointer exception guys. Guys, getting or not? You people can check here guys, every time it is happened like that only, because of if we are go to that 1.6 onwards, it will be get what, adding that element, it will be compare, right guys? Every time it will be compare, that every element it will be compare before storing that element inside that what guys, balance tree, internal data structure follow to that balance tree, right guys? It will be comparing that root with that root node. What is that root node here? Yeah, it will be adding, it will be comparing with that existed node, right? So when I'm going to adding to that what guys, null, it null is that not able to compare with that existing. That is the reason it is going to throw into that null pointer exception guys, right? And one more thing here is there guys, that is when I'm going to adding to the duplicate data, what happened? See here guys, I'm going to adding to the duplicate element, then duplicate element is not what, printing, because of what happened guys? Can anyone tell me? There is no error, that output it will become, but duplicate is not allowed guys. You people can check here guys, I will do you know guys, or I need to explain it? Yeah, you people can check here guys, first time when I'm going to adding to that first element, at that moment what happened, there is a add method is there, right guys? Add method, you people can check guys, first of all what is that, what is the return type of that add method, guys tell me? Boolean. You people can check here guys, really that is boolean or not, can we check? See, this is the return type as a boolean. Yes or no, guys? Yeah. So when only single element is there, at that moment, that boolean can be written as a true, guys. That return type as a true here, right? So now tell me, guys, Z also duplicate or say two times is there or one time is there? One time is there. That is the reason it is going to printing what, guys? Written as a true. For P also it is printed written true. For S also it is what, guys, written true. For E also it is written true. And where I am going to go, yeah, here also it is going to give in the true, guys. Guys, now tell me, now there is a duplicate data is there is a duplicate element is there, guys. Then instead of true, that return type it will be give what, guys? False. That's all. That is the reason that's not able to throw that any type of exception. It will be just that return type as a false. That is the reason it's not able to print, guys. That's all. That explanation. Getting or not for you? Yeah. This is that. This is that word, guys. Default sorting order internally word, guys. Compared to method using for word, guys. TreeSet implementation class. See here, guys. You people can check. Go to that declarations. This is the TreeSet, and inside the TreeSet there is a method TreeSet TreeSet comparable comparator sorting is empty contains add method and what this control F TreeSet sorted set. Internally that TreeSet is using to that sorted set, guys. I said you that sorted set is that interface, right? So you people can go, guys. There is a what, guys, comparator sorted set. You people can check here, guys. What, there is a sorted set is there. Sorted set. What are the method is there? You people can see here, guys. Set, tail set. Yeah, this is that other element comparator. Compare two methods. Set sorted set extend from where, guys? Sorted set extend from that set interface, guys. You people can check here, guys. Set is that interface, right? Sorted set also what, guys? Interface only, right? Go through your hierarchy, guys, right? Sorted map collection comparable comparator. See here, guys, there is a what we are going to using to that all annotation here. You people can check, right? Sorted set, at set, L set, L comparator, comparable interface. There is a one more comparator default sorting order will become. See, guys, that TreeSet extended from where abstract set again. And you people can check here, guys, implement navigable set clonable interface and serializable, right? TreeSet, TreeSet comparator, comparator, TreeSet, TreeSet iterator. See, guys, there is a methods available inside that TreeSet, guys. This method it will be invoked internally. Okay. Okay. headset, subset, comparator, compare, plus, loss. Sorry, sorry. Your voice is very slow, guys. I'm not audible. Yes, yes. There is a headset, the tail set is that what, guys? There is a almost in preset started set method is there, guys. That is first method, last method, headset method, tail set, subset, comparator. This method available inside that where started set, guys. Okay. Headset is nothing but which one we are going to adding that element. After head, it will be what are the element is there. If we want to identify, then you people can use to that headset method, guys. Right? There is extra six method is there, guys. Uh, yeah. If you want to go through this method, you can internally like this is there, guys. Implementation, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. So we can see that this is that comparable interface. It will become, guys, and there is a comparator and comparable interface. We can see after completion of that word, guys. Hash map. There is a map concept. Is there, right, guys? Yeah. In map concept, we can see with that word, guys. With Java 8, guys. With the Java 8 feature, we can see that customized sorting orders. Okay. Yeah. You people can complete it, guys. There is a comparable interface and a sorted set. There is a two interfaces there, guys. That is comparable interface and comparator interface is there. What is the purpose of that comparable interface and what is the purpose of comparator interface? You people can go through that. And what, guys? There is a comparator interface is what, guys? That is also Java.util package is there, guys. And that what are the method is available inside that comparator interface? Compare method is there, guys. How we are going to comparing just now by using compare to method, same as like there is a compare to method, compare method, it will become inside that comparator. What is the purpose of that comparator interface is nothing but if I want to print as a customized sorting order, guys, if I want to print as a customized sorting order, then we can go for what, guys? Comparator interface. Internally TreeSet using which interface, guys? Internally TreeSet using which interface? Collection of comparable interface, guys. It is going to comparing that element, right? Comparable interface is there. Comparable interface can contain that which method, guys? Compare to method. Based on that compare to method, it is going to invoke. Yes or no, guys? Yeah. Same as like there is a comparator interface also is there. That comparator interface can contain that compare method, right? It will be how it is going to adding to that two element. It is how it is going to what comparing, same as like there is a compare method is there. That compare method it will be check, guys. I will explain you in when we can use to that word, guys. Java 8 at that moment because of if I explain here again I will miss into that in Java 8, guys. So nowadays we are going to use into the Java 8 only. That is the reason that point I will explain into that there only. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We will see tomorrow for that what, guys. Next concept what we can go through that what, guys. Map, right? Yeah, great. Yes, 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 fun. Yes. Where? One, 1 to where is that? That index position start from zero, right? Yeah. Zero index that arrays is that index question as a zero, guys. Then what is your question? I'm not getting. Uh so that is that decided by what, guys? Zeroth index position. So if I want to add that element based on that index position, then you can. It's possible. But what happened, guys? When you are going to decide that index array size, at that moment it will be indeed what, guys? You people can check here. When you people adding to that, this is that what, guys? Array, right? This is that array number equal to new int, right, guys? When you are going to adding to that element as a size of that array, at that moment it is internal, it will be designed, right? If you want to add that element as a based on that index position, then you can add, no problem. I don't want to add to the index position as a zero, you can start from one, right? Yeah. Okay, guys, we will see tomorrow. Sorry. 40 teams are doing to that what, guys? They are followed to that projects now. No, 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 no. Not all, guys. Some people are what, preparing for that interview.